Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to congratulate you for for watching this and for going through on this video. So on this video, I'm going to talk to you the step two about how to dominate your Facebook profile so you can increase your sales. So for the step two, it is about how you will build your audience. Okay, how can you have your target audience and build it. Okay, so this is all about audience building. So let's dive into it. Um, so you need to ask yourself, okay? You need to ask yourself these questions. So who is your audience, okay? And who do you want to work with? And where are those people hanging out? Okay, so for example, they are in network marketing or they are in affiliate marketing. So you need to find them and get to know them by browsing their profiles so you understand how to talk to them. Okay, so it's very important that you in stock or stock them first before you reaching out to them. So you will understand where what they want to talk about. Okay, so because your network is your net worth. Okay, so you must understand that. Okay, so how can you find those target audience? Okay, so you need to go to Facebook search bar. So when you are in this Facebook, you need to just go to search bar and search affiliates if your target audience is affiliate marketers. So go to search affiliates or affiliate marketing, or if your target audience is network marketing, so search it. Okay, network marketing, and then go to private groups, not a public one, because they are more targeted. They are more qualified, unlike in public groups. Okay, so most recommended join to paid groups if you will. That's those most targeted audience because you know that they pay something, right? So I recommend to join to paid groups. So just find those paid groups. Okay, so how many people should you add per day? So I would say add 50 people per day, 25 in the morning and 25 in the evening. Okay, and don't add massive amounts of people at a time and without interval because Facebook will block you. So this is very important that you remember this. So don't add like massive amounts of people on Facebook. Okay, so you need to remember that it's like a quality versus quantity. Okay, having 5K or 5,000 friends is cool, but having 4,000 of them that don't like the content you post is a complete waste of time, right? And this is the do's and don'ts. Okay, so now the do's, the number one do's, make sure that they are active on Facebook. Okay, so you need to make sure that. Okay, and number two, they post online for at least 2 months ago because you know that they are active and they are using Facebook. Okay, if not, don't. So this is the don'ts. So don't add people who their last post is like since last year. Okay, so and not showing their face on their Facebook because maybe it is like their dummy account or fake account. Okay, so you need to make sure that they show their face on their profile, even if it is on their cover photo, it is on their post on their Facebook. You need to make sure that they are not in Bitcoin or any crypto related. Okay, so you need to remember this. Okay, we are in the business media. We use our social media or we use our Facebook for business, right? And that's just for another social, right? So you need to make sure that we are in a business media and you need to have a goal when you are using Facebook. And you need to make sure most of your friends are for business purposes and you want to help them. Okay, so hope you find value from this video and see you on the next video.